Just one day after Ford revealed its highly anticipated Ford Bronco return and its lineup of SUVs, Nissan took to the global automotive stage to launch a highly anticipated SUV of their own. During a live-streamed event from Yokohama, Japan, Nissan CEO Makoto Uchida and Chief Operating Officer Ashwani Gupta unveiled the Ariya to a global audience, and with it, they debuted a key milestone in the 4-year Nissan Next Transformation Initiative. The Ariya is Nissan's first 100% battery electric crossover SUV, and the plan is to continue to build on the success they achieved through the launch of the Nissan Leaf back in 2010, which has sold about 475,000 units globally to date. The Ariya gives us our first glimpse at Nissan's new design language, which they call timeless Japanese futurism. Nissan says it's characterized by a distinctive Japanese approach conveyed in a simple yet powerfully modern way. A lot of new thinking has gone into the interior, given that an all-EV design presents opportunities to try new ideas which would have been limited by the demands of a gas engine powertrain. The climate control system, for example, is now placed under the front hood since there's no engine there to take up space. Now, this has made the entire length of the floor usable since there's no need for a transmission tunnel. And with the batteries placed at the base of the chassis, they were able to design a floor that's entirely flat. Combined with a compact arrangement of climate controls and Nissan's zero-gravity seats, the goal here was to create a sense of interior space that's almost lounge-like in setting. And since you're comfortable, you might just want to drive long and far. According to Nissan, it's expected that a two-wheel drive Ariya with its larger 90 kilowatt-hour or 87 usable kilowatt-hours of battery will have a range of up to 300 miles or 482 kilometers. Now that's 30% more than the Nissan Plus is currently rated at. There will also be a 65 kilowatt-hour battery with 63 kilowatt-hours usable available as well. The Ariya also debuts Nissan's new e-Force 100% electric drive motor system. Now, e-Force is the progeny of the Nissan GT-R's Atessa ETS torque split system and the intelligent all-wheel drive systems found in Nissan's lineups of current crossovers and SUVs. By specifically managing power output and braking performance for smoothness and stability, e-Force is said to enhance driver confidence by tracing the steered driving line over almost any road surface. In the Ariya, we will also get to see a second iteration of Nissan's ProPilot Assist. The driver assistance technology will now allow attentive drivers to take their hands off the steering wheel under certain conditions, helping reduce the driver's workload and stress in single-lane highway traffic. It also supports multi-lane highway driving tasks such as lane changes, passing, and highway exiting. Technology fans will like how Nissan is equipping the Ariya with the latest in connectivity, including a new human-machine interface and firmware updates over the air. Nissan's intelligent personal assistance technology features a hybrid voice recognition system with advanced natural language understanding technology to handle in-vehicle assistance without the driver needing to take their eyes off the road. The Ariya also includes Amazon Alexa, which can play music, place calls, listen to audiobooks, control smart home devices, and more with just a few voice commands. Ariya will also feature wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. And as mentioned, the Ariya will be the first Nissan model with firmware updates over the air and will automatically update various software inside the vehicle. Specifically, we're talking about software that controls the multimedia system, electric and electronic architecture, the chassis, climate system, and EV settings. There seems to be a lot to be excited about with this new Ariya, but we're going to have to wait to really kick the tires. The Ariya is expected to go on sale in Japan by mid-2021, and it will be here in North America later in the year. Pricing and other pertinent details will be announced closer to release date, and rest assured I will do what I can to get behind the wheel of this Ariya for a full test drive just as soon as I can. That's it for now, and I hope you enjoyed the first look at this new Nissan Ariya. I'm Eric Novak. Thanks for watching. There's plenty of ways for you to keep connected with me, so check out some of my social media links, suggested videos, and I'd really love it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel.